Hi, this is the old geezer from the hills of Tennessee. That's Fluid Hearts by Cole. Today we do a tutorial. I think you'll enjoy it. My wife insists that I've lost most of my marbles. It's not true. I've got a whole bag full just for this video. We'll use 3 of them today. Here I'm laying down a base. This consists of Blick Studios and my pouring medium about 50-50. It's the same consistency as my paints. After spreading this out, we do a quick torch down. Right off the bat, I'll apologize a little. There seems to be a focus issue with this little camera. Hoping to get a new one soon. Here's my marbles, all 3 of them. We start with a base. The colors that I'm using today are copper by Mable, mixed with my pouring medium. A gold by Modern Masters. New paint to me. We'll have to see how this one goes. This pink shade is Quinacridone Rose by Creative Inspirations. I am liking their paint very much. Next came Pearl White, also by Creative Inspirations. This is a shade of lavender. It was made from Creative Inspirations in some Blick. Now we're getting ready to do the fun part. I'll do a quick torch down to eliminate any bubbles in either the base or in the puddles. Get ready, get set. Let's roll some marbles. This is marble 1. I place it in the center of the white paint and begin to travel it through the puddles, picking it up, of course, with gloves on. Steering it by tilting the panel up or down or sideways as I see fit. The paint does all the marvelous things with a marble. This was marble 2. Placed in almost the same position. I wanted to have it travel down. Pick up some of the other colors in another way. After letting this marble do its thing, and then rolling it off, we spent some time centering the picture by letting it run off both directions to expand and center the artwork the way I was wanting to see it. Then came the opportunity to take marble 3 and finish the composition. The hopes always of being that the picture would be quote-unquote perfect. This one was fun. So enjoyable do I find this particular technique. Exciting. I think it has tremendous potential for the future for me. We intend to do more of this and learn more about manipulating the path of the marbles to make the painting exciting. This marble traveled more than the others. You can see that the designs became more intricate. So for your review, here's a brief picture of the wet result. I was very pleased. Here's a small flyover. The focus is not wonderful, but you can see some of the detail. In this video. Wonderful, fun little things, little ins and outs and curlicues and swoops and swirls. Oh my. First, a brief look at the wet results, and shortly, next frame is the dry results, and I was so pleased with the way it came out. Look at the colors. Well, that's it for this time. Look forward to seeing you again. Look for us on Etsy.